Scorpio, welcome to the channel. This is the Lady of the Throne, where God dwells within me as me. I appreciate you all so much for being here today. I rebuke all evil in the mighty name of Jesus. And I come to you guys with a divine and right on time spiritual message. And this is going to just focus on love, your love life, someone that you are connected to romantically, someone that you are dating at this time or in a situationship with, or maybe someone you've been talking to and getting to know better. All right, so this is an energy where it's mainly for my Scorpio females. All right, keep that in mind. My channel is really, my niche is for women, but it doesn't matter at the same time, but it's primarily for women, so keep that in mind, Scorpio. Okay, hence why you may see a lot of photos of women here, right? Okay, so guys, if you are interested in getting a personal, just check out the description box down below. That's where you will find the link to my shop. Also, if this resonates with you or if you like this, hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below, and subscribe before you go. All right, so Scorpio, we're going to talk about how you and your person of interest feel toward each other and how you both see each other, okay? All right, so I know that right now we're in the middle of the time frame, so these events could have already played out, be playing out now, or could be about to play out. Give it time, okay? Some of this may already resonate with some of you. All right, so how you feel about your person of interest? It seems like, honestly, it seems like an empty connection right now between you and someone. It's not much excitement, it's not much going on. For some of you, you could feel like nothing is there anymore between you and this person. Nothing is really sticking, nothing is really working according to your plans, or maybe nothing has really worked according to your plans with you and this person. But I feel like it seems like something about this love has gotten washed away, like just go, like it's just not there. That's what it seems like for some of you, or it just doesn't feel like it's connected. It doesn't feel like it's close. It doesn't feel like, for some of you, there may be a realization that someone that you are interested is not the one, or is not the person that you thought. Okay, so for some of you it could be that, but it just feels like it's not intact. It feels like it's not intact. It feels like it's not there, like it feels non-existent or something like that, or it's just really 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 stagnant or really really stuck. So you could be, and for some of you, you could even be pushing the connection away at this time, because maybe I'm picking up that some of you may be afraid to love anyway. And so instead of trying to force yourself to love, you could just be walking in a different direction because you rather stay away instead of dealing with the pressure of love. All right, that's what I'm getting for some of you. Now it could be some avoidant energy. You're just avoiding things that maybe you weren't ready for some. All right, so your person of interest, this person feels like a disaster has happened within this connection in the past with you. They feel like, the two of you don't see a positive light together, or that you two, it's hard to see anything positive, or maybe it's just hard to get to that positive part of the connection with each other because of whatever already happened. So this person is, I feel like during this time frame, they're grasping the idea that you two are just not seeing eye to eye with each other, or maybe that you're total opposites of one another due to all the things that have been shown to them so far, right? I feel like this person's really just gonna be in their head and thinking a lot about how things just always go left when it was probably supposed to go right, but it's like always going in a different direction. So this person, overall though, on a personal level, this person's having, they've got a better demeanor about themselves. They seem to be stronger. They seem to be better at resisting the connection. They seem to be better at walking away or moving on, or it's something about this person where they're not investing any energy, time, or anything into the connection with you. Overall, it seems like they're just good at putting a wall up, or good at putting their foot down, and they're just like, all right. So how do you see this person? This is someone who I feel like when they're connecting with others, they're very positive. That's how you see them, Scorpio. You see them as being in a positive light. When they're connecting with people, with groups, with friends, with whoever, like they're just always in a positive energy. This person doesn't think negatively at all. That's how you see them. Like you see this as someone with a very positive and uplifting mind and soul. Like, you know how positive this person is. You feel like this person really doesn't have much negativity in their life during this time, and they're always positive and uplifting. That's what you see. You also see that this person constantly affirms happiness and contentment for their life. They speak happiness into their life, right? This person could attract good things into their life. And I just feel like you are supporting them. You support that. You support them being happy, so that's why you're staying away, right? So you guys may be like, you know what, this person's moving forward now, and I'm actually happy for this person. So you guys may actually be the ones that are happy for them, genuinely. You may genuinely feel like that, because it seems like this person's in such a positive mindset, right? So that could be why your connection with them is not doing what you feel like it needs to be doing, because this person has found their own sense of happiness outside of you, or feels like they do not need that. This person's not codependent on you. All right, so the numbers 32, 32, or 5 could be significant for some of you. Now, how do they see you? This person sees that you guys are approaching an ending with each other, or you already ended something with each other, or that a cycle is finally wrapping up. Maybe there's a cycle in this connection that's finally ending, or it's finally over with, it's finally complete, it's finally done. This is someone who may be connected to water. They could be a water sign, a Pisces, Scorpio, or Cancer. It could be another water sign that you're connecting with. This could be, I'm getting strong Pisces, a Pisces person for some. But this seems like a water sign, or if not, then this is someone who's connected to the water in some kind of way. They could live in Florida. That's what I'm getting. They could live in some part of Florida. That could be where they live, or where they're from, where they were born, or where they were raised. Maybe they're visiting Florida, but there is something like that going on. Or maybe it's just something about this person finding a sense of calmness when they're near water. Okay, but this yeah, and this could also be just how they see you, like emotional over an ending with them. It can be that too. But I feel like they see you in a way that may surprise you. It may surprise you. The way that they see you may catch you off guard, because they feel like you had a reason to, like you have a purpose to fulfill in your life. And it's like you were supposed to come here and teach people, a lot of people, how to be wiser and how to be more pure. And so I don't know if this is, what I'm strongly getting is that this is something that they see in you that you may not see in yourself, or that other people may not see, but they could see through what you show on the surface. They see through the person that you are today. They can see through that. They can see your soul, this person. So they feel like you're supposed to have a different type of vibration, like you're supposed to be like the ocean, where you just flow. Where if you're a water sign, obviously you're supposed to bring peace, calmness, and serenity, and not like chaos. So this person sees something in you that you don't even see in yourself. You're supposed to be a healer, but you're not tapped into that. You're supposed to use your gifts for the good and not the bad. Like, it's something that this person sees in you that you don't do, that they're trying to show you to do it, to be able to live a more full life or something like that. So that's how they're looking at you. um it's like, if you're a water sign, then why are you not acting like a water sign? It's something about you not being who you are meant to be, and that's why things are the way that they are right now. Like, where's your emotions? Where's your heart? Where's your love? Did you find it yet? Where's your light? Is it in there anywhere? Like, it's like, that is how this person is thinking, right? So yeah, or maybe, like I said, guys, if it's not that, then it's something about this person being connected to water, the element. Or they could be connected to a different type of water sign. It may not be you, it could be a Cancer or a Pisces. Because that energy is coming up pretty strong. Like I said, Pisces is really strong. All right. And that's all I have. I hope this helps. God bless.